Kelly McFrederick here, KellyStagingCreations.com with the K, and we're back here in Bahia Mar. This is Townhome D, and what we did with this one, we're right here on the beautiful island, but this one we did a little bit more in a South Beach decor. I want to show you this one just real quick, and we are here when I said Treasure Island. It's near St. Pete Beach, Pinellas County, the Tampa Bay area, on the Intercoastal with the beaches directly across the street. And this is where we are. You got your own boat dock too. Look at this. You got your own boat dock. And guess what? You don't have to take care of your pool by yourself. You got a bunch of people to help you with that gorgeous pool. You got the beaches, you got the water skiing, the jet skiing, the kayaking, the canoeing. And that bridge over there leads you to, you can't see it through here, through the beautiful trees, leads you to downtown St. Pete. Pat here has been finishing up all these great units here. What's your favorite place around here in Treasure Island, Mr. Pat?
Oh, Cadillac Jack's.
Okay, Patrick,
Sunset
where
Beach.
is that?
Sunset.
And that's where you get to put your toes. It's one of the few places that is directly on the beach, isn't it?
Yes, right on the beach.
So you sit on the picnic benches or sit up top. Where else do you like to go?
Ricky T's.
Yeah, what's your favorite place there? How come it's there?
Joe's.
You like the music at Ricky T's?
Yeah, they got good music and
It's good. It's
good
live, isn't it?
atmosphere
Outside.
Tiki bar.
That is pretty good.
Smoking.
Hey, give me a good upscale restaurant.
Salt Rock Grill.
Oh yeah, that's not too far from here, is it? Salt Rock.
Indian Rocks.
Yeah, well, it's got that chef that he has all those other restaurants too, pretty famous. Wow.
Yeah, I don't know the chef though.
Oh, the great view. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So here we are. This is our great townhome. This is again 3-story, 3-bathroom. We got a little pub table because it is fun. Okay, but guess what? You cannot drink the beer. You can have fun, but you can't drink the beer. We've been putting all the knobs on. Great fireplace. So I want to give you a little bit of a bird's eye view of this one. And when you want to learn more about this, you're going to call Phyllis Newberg. She's with Keller Williams. She's the listing agent for this. 727-644-3363. And so that's who you want to talk to about wanting to see this property a little bit more. Beautiful dining room over here. That is the beach right over there. And here we are. This is your breakfast area. We're still finishing this out a little bit. We'll have the backsplash to put on. They're brand new, clean, ready for you. We just finished putting all these knobs on, getting them all dressed up for you. This is your eating kitchen. And yes, that is the water. So you get to sit here and see how many dolphins jump and watch the porpoises. That is all right there. Not a bad place to have a cup of coffee, is it? Yes, I'll take that any day. So here we are, we're coming up the stairs. I want to show you these beautiful wooden floors, and it complements this gorgeous staircase as well with these beautiful railings. There's a lot of custom work in it, very well appointed. Here's a little laundry room just before you enter the master suite, but fit for a king and his queen, or just a queen, you never know. So the master suites are gorgeous, they're full of room, and of course, most importantly, it's the view that you get to enjoy when you're here. That's what's so important. And we know that's where everybody wants to be, is right on the water. Wake up. Tell me you don't wake up with a smile on your face when you get to wake up, walk out to this, hang out on your balcony, lean on here, drink your cup of coffee, check your boat out, see who's fishing out there. Again, that's that bridge that leads to downtown St. Pete. And there's the Treasure Island Bridge down there. There's some little jet skiers coming in there. But look how nice these pavers are. Everything is done very well. And of course then if you choose to cannonball, no, not really. I think you might get in trouble for that. And you got to watch out for your manatees. And so here we are. And I want to show you as well, we have a beautiful master suite bathroom, which I'm sure you would expect that, wouldn't you? And of course everything is done in marble. We have the granite. And we also did a lot of custom mirrors. I have a great designer out of Orlando who comes through, and I had all these mirrors custom designed for these units for you. Because again, wanting to put the best foot forward, saying they're finished, we did not want to just have something cheap in here. We wanted the best. The prices is fabulous on these units, and we want to show you what is the best way to live in Florida. So there's your master suite with a tub. So you certainly can catch the sunrise over here. Waking up with a smile. Say hi to Marilyn. Hi, Marilyn. And then when you want to catch the sunset, you have 2 suites over here, and they have a lovely shared balcony. And if you look over, yes, that blue, that is the beach. You have, of course, beach access right across the street. And the Bilmar is a very famous hotel, which is just about a quarter of a mile north of here. And that is actually the widest strip of all the beaches here in Pinellas County. We know Fort DeSoto Park, which is 1 and 2 top beaches in the world, they're only 12 minutes away. It's very close. That's right, the very tip of South St. Pete Beach, there as you go through Tierra Verde. So this is your other little sweep through here to catch, definitely to catch a sunset here. I told you these were brand new units, so we've got all brand new carpet. It's right here. That's okay. What I want to show you is when we talk about a garage, this is a garage. You know, you don't find garages like this on the beach attached to a townhome. This is where you store all of your fun stuff. Who likes to ride a Harley? I do. Okay, who likes to go water skiing? I do. Slalom skiing? I do. Where can you bring all your bait buckets, your coolers? Put them all down here with your bicycles. Put your canoes, your kayaks, the paddle boats. How many boats can you fit in here? How many cars can you fit in here? You got it all. Those of you who like to do that sailboating, that's pretty cool. A little bit slow in the water, but we know a lot of you like that. Some of us are speed demons. But tell you what, right now with the cost of fuel, I think I will take sailboating. So have fun in this garage. This is what gets me excited. Yep, and there goes one of the jet skiers right now as fast as he can. You tell me, you, your kids, your family, they will not all have fun here. And there's the bridge that leads you right into downtown St. Pete. So you got the beach and you got the downtown. Not a bad way to live. This is the Treasure Island Beach Pavilion and Park. Just one of our hidden secrets of Treasure Island. Look at this great place. You got the beach right here. You have your own covered pavilion. Get out of the sand for a little bit. Come up here, eat your lunch in the shade. You've got facilities. Over here, those are some of my other favorite restaurants. You got Filthy Phil's right across the water here. This would be more Blind Pass area. You can see the restaurants right there. We just have all of these beautiful little beaches here. See, and there's another place to eat casual dining, and it's just playing in the sand right here on this beautiful boardwalk. This is here in Treasure Island, where you can take a walk through here. Enjoy your boardwalk. I wanted you all to see this. Look how beautiful they are, and your pavers coming up into the driveway.